It's Christmas! In this video, we're going to decorate the house for Christmas.
Yeah, break it down now.
Of course, we've got to start with a Christmas tree time lapse. The only difference this year is we have a new family member, Minyip. We pretty much go through the exact same routine every time we decorate the tree. It'll probably look exactly the same as last year. For that reason, I've increased the speed of the time lapse to 8 times faster.
I mean, that just makes it look easy.
Later on in this video, I'm going to give you a health update as a follow-up from the video I made recently about my health issues. I'm also going to talk a little bit more about Minyip and her progress and what's new with her. These birds are some of our most precious decorations for the tree. That's why they get their own special box. And then there's Minyip. It's fair to say she didn't really like them. We've already done most of our Christmas shopping already, but we do have one more present to get. I did some embroidery on Minyip's cage tidy. It's a little picture of her, isn't it cute? She's also got her own Christmas lights. I've put up some Christmas window stickers to deter the birds, and I've also decorated Minyip's tree perch. Time to open up today's advent calendar. So what have we got here? We've got a few boxes. There's number 3. It's the third today. So I'll open that one if I can get it out. Come on. Alright, what have we got here? Looks like a bath bomb. Ah yes, pink grapefruit bath bubble. Nice. So I'd just like to do a quick health update. I went back to the specialist who said that although I tested negative for SIBO in the past, he thinks that I have the type of SIBO that you can't actually get tested for. SIBO is small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and I am currently being treated for that. He put me on a bunch of supplements and medication that I'm almost finished now. I was on antibiotics but did have a severe reaction to those, so he noted it down as an allergy and put me on this new medication where the side effects are vivid dreams, and I've definitely been having those. So hundreds of dollars later, I'm not sure if much progress has been made in regards to improving my symptoms. I'm also on a SIBO diet. I've just come off the restrictive part of that diet, and now I'm on the semi-restricted part for 2 weeks. And then after that, I move on to phase 2 for 4 weeks, which means I'm still going to be on a diet for Christmas. That's kind of a little bit annoying. And a quick update regarding Minyip. We are still struggling with harness training. She managed to get her head through the loop several times with ease, no problem. But all of a sudden she doesn't want a bar of it and we have to start from scratch again. So that's how that's going. But to other news, I've ordered her a large travel aviary from America, which is going to take a few weeks to be made and sent. But that'll be really good. It's the same brand as her Packer Bird, the birdie backpack. And it's the same material, all bird safe, stainless steel mesh, and just top-notch stuff, you know? So that'll be really good for her when we go traveling. She's so snug. Minyip talks now, actually. So she says her name, Minyip. She says baby. She says baby girl. I love you, baby. But her favorite lately is her name, Minyip. And many variations of the kissing sound. I haven't caught it on camera yet. I'll see if I can, but if not, just trust me when I say she talks. Just not when you are recording her. Minyip! Beep!
Hello.
Beep! Beep! Baby! Baby girl!
Hello, sweetie. What you doing? Hi, baby. Hello, sweetie. Baby. What you doing? Baby.
Hi, baby!
Hi, baby. Yeah, baby.
And she dances too.
Baby, 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 baby.
That's right, baby! And here is the outside of the house at night with all the Christmas lights working. This is a little bush out the front of our house that I've shaped with a hedge trimmer, and we've got some net lights for it, and I think it turned out pretty good. That brings me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this sort of content, please subscribe for more. I will see you soon with my next video. Bye!